Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Silk beige MB-Tex interior. Panel sunroof. And around back, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. And alongside, this does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, dark linden wood trim, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, heated steering wheel controls, also included a smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, paddle shifters for extra performance, our media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for media display, turn wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 27,449 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.